Parker, or you can pick them up from their box office located 800 Schweitzer Avenue in Greenville.
I think Mom is in my focus.
Matt Isaac's out of Lewisburg, Ohio. Here we go. Inside, 279 inside.
I did that. Right.
I think personally,
Indiana, another one of the 503 diesel trucks, and 03 V8 hot rods, Alders Farm, Open Farm stock, 2.5 Woodstock diesel, and 2.6 diesel. That's tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. Eating the high smoke out Friday night at 7, Saturday at 1, and Saturday night at 7. All vendors, we have vendors down there and concessionaires, and it's a great time. Come on over, and plus a show and shine for semis. Come on over and see us. This is Raymond Guy out of Union City, Ohio. How's it going there? Look at this! Look at this! Jimmy man! Anchor!
Yeah, and it's kind of, he doesn't get paid real well, but they pay for all his lodging, food. So, plus he's getting to experience all the stuff he's thrown on his next year when he graduates. 6 years of school.
I'd like to thank Dan's Transmission. This is the banker truck. With an 8, 309 with an 8. Terry McFarland, the banker Dodge. So we got a Dodge number 1.
We have 14,000 gallon water in this tank. Yeah. It doesn't mud ball. It doesn't mud ball this hard.
He's just giving up on her. He said,
So you and Andy are 2 and 2, right?
All that, yeah.
John and Rochelle, the A-Hall Express, out of Camden, Ohio.